What's up everyone? Welcome to Balance by Megan. I'm Megan. Today I'm giving you 5 poses that you can do if you have asthma. So these are poses that are intended to help you focus on your breathing. They're really geared towards relieving asthma attacks. I'm not to say to bust out in these if you're having one, but these are great poses to start to incorporate if you have asthma like I do. Grab your mat and let's create balance in your life. Let me know if you have found any of these posts helpful by commenting down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell button to be notified when I post free content every Wednesday. I will see you guys next week. Namaste.